Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jenny Fine. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well yourself. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're not new here, you're also welcome. Welcome to the Jenny Fine family. Get gang. Guys, for today's video, I just want you to watch me take off my makeup, get ready for bed, nighttime, kind of skincare routine. I don't know if I should call it a label skincare routine, but not really. But this is the process I go through. So people, wash their face with water, soap. I like to use a oil base or a makeup base that takes the makeup off to remove my makeup, because my makeup is a very thick as a layer on my skin. So you want to make sure any product going to dissolve the makeup will actually be good product. You don't want to use something that your skin will be dry. You don't want to. I'm going to be using the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This is in a travel size. I can't get closer, you guys see, because this is not my autofocus lens. I'm going to be taking 2 wipes. I normally use 2 wipes maximum to take off my makeup. Why? I just feel like I make sure the first wipe take everything away, and the second wipe take what the first wipe couldn't take away. So I'll be using the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Wipe to take off the makeup. And sometimes I might go on the face with just the wipes, but it will be a little of a struggle. But just to make my day and my time easier, I'm just gonna go with a balm, which is gonna make it easier, easy application, removal and dissolving. So I'm gonna take my tongue back of my nails and make sure I drag the product out so it's not embedded inside my nails, but literally the back of my nails, and just give it a bit of like a facial cream massage all over your face. Then you go ahead with your hand to actually massage it out, and that will actually dissolve your makeup. This is also good for removing any eye makeup, any waterproof mascara or eyeliner or eyeshadow base or anything like that. So a little bit goes a long way. You don't want to put too much, because literally everything's still going to dissolve, and you don't want to put too little, because some part of your face is not going to dissolve fully. It's going to be dry, so you want to make sure everything is literally saturated right before actually going with your wipes. I don't normally use this Garnier Skin Active wipes. I normally use I can't even remember the name now. It's in green wipes. I think it's from Simple, but unfortunately they didn't have that, so I have this one. So I have to manage what I have. So like I said, you want to make sure you go around and massage this thing all over your face, so make sure everything is saturated. I really do not care how I massage it. Sometimes the people like take up their lips first or their eyes first. I make sure everything dissolves fully, like dissolve. When you feel like it's dissolved, then your face is gonna be like looking like mud in one. You can't see anything. So we go ahead with your left hand, which you have your clean wipe. I start with the eyes first, because I want to be able to see what I am taking off. I make sure I clean my eyes first. Then I take a mirror and start looking my eyes myself, like areas I really want the wipes to penetrate through, and make sure everything is clean. Then you go ahead with your wipes to remove everything, to make sure everything is covered. And this is the second wipe now. If you are satisfied with your face and with the wipe, you can go ahead go to wash your face, or you can use another wipe to make sure you're satisfied with your product cleaned off. So I'm going to take my third wipes, even if I don't normally use 3. I normally use 2, because I'm going to go wash my face anyway. But to make sure that I fully did my job, I go with this third wipe. Now we go ahead to wash our face with a bit of warm water, or facial wash, and come back for the other cleansing part. So I've washed my face. So once you wash your face with a face wash, with cold water, I always use cold water. You can decide to dry your face and come back. So I have wet my face flat now, so I'm just gonna use it to dry in my face. at least it's wet. It's not like drying when I use my actual towel to dry my face. Areas that even if sometimes makeup moves, so right my neck. So when you have that sorted out, your face gonna look like this. You want to take your cotton wool pad. Okay, I'm gonna open it like this. Take two. I normally take two. No, I can't even. When I take your cotton wool pad and your micellar, with clear water, drench that in there. I think there's a lot bit now, so I don't really have much of that. And first of all, rub it across your eyes, because sometimes still you have leftover makeup mascara. Again, this is literally drying, and you want to go over your face with this. Yep, you can see there's still a lot of dirt on our cotton pad, even if we've washed our face. Right now I still need to wash my face, even if I've done the old micellar cleansing, just because I am not yet satisfied. So I'm gonna go clean this up and wash my face a little bit. So you guys, yeah, once I finally wash my face for the last time, I go ahead to use a cotton swab to remove any leftover makeup around our eyes areas, because sometimes makeup tend to hide inside our eye. And one last dry of the face. So my hands are clean, so I'm just gonna go ahead to apply a bit of my eye drop. This is just to prevent itching from anything that may have fallen in my eyes. Yeah, this is just to correct any dirt or residues inside my eyes. So once this step is done, you want to go ahead to apply your night cream or your blemish cream. So right now I'm going to be using my mineral blemish cream or formula or serum from the original, because I think I'm coming up with a bit of rashes. So I just want to go ahead to apply these. Sometimes I tend not to put too much product on my face, it's just night time. So, and I'm going to be applying my blemish rescue gel. This is a really good gel. So just apply where you think you do have like breakouts, pimples and stuff. We wear makeup every day, harsh weather and stuff. Everything is done and saturated across your face. I'm gonna wipe my hands. Yeah, so you can go ahead to apply a lip balm. It's up to you. I'm gonna drink some water. So I do have water. Yeah, so I normally apply my vapor rub on my nose. I'm good to go. And then you want to blow this gel serum on your face to dry quickly. And that's it, guys. So that's it to my makeup removal process. I don't know what to name it, but I just feel like there's some things that a lot of us are not telling you when it comes to removing makeup from the face and the eyes. You will always make sure you have your eye drops, guys. Like, this is so essential. You are an adult, you need to take care of yourself. Things comes into our eyes, our eyelashes, pet, anything flies into our eyes, and we just think like it's normal. It's not normal. Get some eye drops and that will go off. Anyway, enough of me rambling now. So that comes to the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you don't, still give it a thumbs up, guys. Please leave a comment below on your thoughts on this video. What do you think? Do you like this size frame of content? If not, I'll be bringing you more of these. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel before you go, please, and share this video. And guys, don't forget to click on that notification bell icon to get you notified on whenever I upload any videos. And until then, guys, I am gonna see you in my next video. I want you to take care of yourself and be nice to others. If you don't love yourself, oh well. Ciao.